Hello, all you sandwiches and wizards. It's Sandwich Lad and I here today. After a nice live earlier this afternoon, we've decided on making a chicken schnitzel sandwich. Yes, that's right, a chicken schnitzel. And so what do we do first, boy? Well, we heat up some Rooster brand vegetable oil in our cast iron pan we found at the dump. Don't worry, I washed it. Then we'll saran wrap our chicken on a cutting board and beat the hell out of it with a rolling pin. He's loving this. Now that it's flat, Salt Bay both sides. We'll also add a bit of pepper, poultry seasoning, and Old Bay. I try not to talk about my Old Bay while the missus is around. Then we sprinkle flour on both sides, then into an egg wash, then into some panko, then into the oil. Split your roll, and it's such a nice roll I think it deserves a toast. Flip the schnitzel, looks good. Cut a couple slices of tomato. Pick some red romaine from our struggling garden. Nice view, though. Say hi to dogs on the way back. Hello, dogs. Realize you're out of paper towel, even though you just went shopping yesterday. So schnitzel goes on a regular plate, I guess. Make a little Dijonnaise. A little of that on both sides of our toasted bun. Down goes the schnitzel, followed by tomatoes and pepper, the nice lettuce, and a couple slices of no-name dill chip pickles. Combine, admire from different angles, and consume. This is Sandwich Dad and Sandwich Lad. Do you eat some of my crumbs? Good day.